Hi everybody, it's me, Jacob, Library Technician at the Longview Public Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to our first all-ages craft of the 2022 fall season, Popsicle Stick Easel and Canvas. In order to make this craft, you'll need from home a pencil, something to measure with like a ruler or a tape measure, a pair of scissors, and something to decorate your canvas with, such as this paint set, or you could use crayons or markers or tissue paper. And then you'll also need something to glue your easel together, such as tacky glue, wood glue, or a hot glue gun, which is probably the easiest because it'll be the fastest to dry. And you'll need your craft packet that you can pick up in library drive-thru or at the lower floor desk. Inside your craft packet, you'll get one of these canvases, and you'll also get 11 popsicle sticks. The first step to making this craft is to decorate your canvas, and you can do that with whatever supplies you have at home, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave mine blank. So the next step to make this craft is that you'll want to line up your popsicle sticks. So they're about 6 inches long, and using your ruler at about the 4-inch mark, you're going to want to take your pencil and draw a line across each one, and that's just going to help you guide it for the next step. Next, on the long side under the line, I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to line up and glue it, and then I'm going to take another popsicle stick and I'm going to overlay that on the long side here to create an extra long stick. Next, I'm going to take another popsicle stick and I'm going to trim it down to about 1/3 or so of the size. So I'm just going to use my scissors and cut it. So you'll end up with one about that size. So next I'm going to take the smaller piece and I'm going to glue it to the top of these pieces here. And I want to angle them sort of like in the shape of what you would imagine an easel would be. So kind of like almost like an A shape. And then I'm going to glue that down, and you want the spot here where they overlap, you want that to be on the bottom and you want it to be face up. So you're going to take your next popsicle stick and you're just going to place it underneath the ridges here, and then you'll glue that down. And this next part is a little tricky, so you're going to want to have to stand this one like this, and then you'll glue it underneath like so, so that way it'll have a spot for your canvas to sit. All right, so next you're going to take your popsicle stick and you're going to glue it to the top. And then you're going to want to kind of line it up to where it goes to the top part of this part of the easel, but you don't want to overlap it to where when the canvas is sitting on it, that it's going to be crooked. So you just kind of want this one as like a support. And then you'll just line it up and glue it down. And last, you're going to take this final piece that you have, this longer one, and you're going to just trim off like the very end to make it flat. And so you want to try to get as straight of a cut as you can. So I'm just going to line it up here and then cut it with my scissors. And there we go, pretty flat edge. And now that I've got that, I'm going to line it up to the back of this, and I'm going to glue it on, and you can angle it however you want to. For whatever angle of this that you want for when you're holding your canvas. I'm going to do mine fairly straight up, and then I'm just going to glue that down. And there you have it, your very own popsicle stick easel with a canvas. Thanks everybody for watching this video. We hope you enjoy making your own popsicle stick easel craft and that you have fun decorating your canvas. We'll have another video after the Crafternoon on October 29th, so the Monday after will be when the next craft packet is available, and you can pick that up as usual either at the lower floor desk or in drive-thru, and we hope to see you then.